And this is my photoresistor light sensor.
Okay, so I turned off all the lights and I set up this light. So what's gonna happen is my motor is going to rotate around 180 degrees. It's a step motor. My photoresistor will then pick up that voltage through an analog pin. I will then use that in my code for my motor to then take those steps back to where the brightest light was and then return to 0. So I just have to push this button. It's going to pick up that reading, go back to it, stay there for a second, and then go back. Location number 2 is over here. Rotate around, sensor it, then go back. I just was doing the worksheet and realized I needed a third location. So here we go again. Wow. So this is my code and my void setup. I just set the speed of my step motor to 10 RPM and I make my button pin have button logic. In my void loop, I use previous state and current state, and I see if the button has been pressed, and then I delay to bounce the button. I set the motor to stepper go to current 0. So you'll see here down at my function, stepper go to, it takes in the current angle and then what angle it needs to be next. And so I then convert both of these into stepper motor language. I take that because that's step up, and I create big step up, which if you know, you know.
Yeah, wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper.
And then next step minus current step. So like the next step I want it to go to, so the next angle minus the current angle. So it's taking a change in step. It's printing that out in my stepper motor. And then I return the next angle. So then that would be then set as my current angle. So I have a brightest light, so that's helping me keep track of where the light is and how bright it is. And then the spot is where that angle is. And then I just use for loops to toggle through the 180 degrees, pick up the brightest light, return to it in my second for loop, and then return home in my third for loop. Thanks for watching, guys.
Underground methods, top-notch hoes, get the most, not the lizard.